Welcome back to corefouradventures. I'm Carol.
And I'm Laura. Last time, we shared our amazing 7-day cruise on the NCL Escape.
It was a great time, but we really just wanted to snorkel.
Join us today as we dive further into snorkeling with sea turtles in Magen's Bay, U.S. Virgin Islands. Magen's Bay is one of the 10 most beautiful beaches in the world.
It was easy to see why. The sand was fine and there was plenty of room to spread out.
There were restrooms and picnic tables and a little shack down the way where you could get drinks and food and a chair and umbrella.
The water was calm in the protected bay, and as soon as we could, we were in the water.
We packed our own snorkel gear in our suitcases. This allowed me to bring my own prescription dive mask so I could see better in the water.
We put the link for all the gear we brought in the description below. We came here for Laura's birthday, and her number one wish was to get to snorkel with sea turtles. We were lucky to find one right away.
And this guy hung out with us for a really long time. Surfaced for air twice right in front of us.
Magen's Bay was a great place to see the sea turtles because they come to feed on the seagrass on the ocean floor.
It was so peaceful to see him hanging out and having breakfast down on the bottom of the ocean.
The sea was calm and the water was so clear for great visibility.
It really was a privilege to get to swim with the turtles.
And if you do go swim with the turtles in Magen's Bay, don't harass them. Make sure you give them enough space. This is their home, but they don't mind if you watch them from afar.
And please make sure to wear reef-safe sunscreen to protect the environment.
There was lots to see other than the turtles, even though they were definitely the highlight.
To the far right end of the beach is lots of coral and little fish swimming around the rocks. Overall, I think Magen's Bay is a great place to go snorkeling.
The water is calm and it's an easy beach, and anyone could give it a try.
Whether you're there on vacation or stop on a cruise, you won't be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And please check out the link below to catch more of us, the Core 4, as we snorkel a shipwreck in Cane Garden Bay in Tortola in the British Virgin Islands.